The PTSD Compensation and Pension Exam. Beware of this trap. I'm John Tucker, and I represent veterans all over the country in claims for VA compensation based on PTSD. I want to tell you about a few things that happen in VA compensation and pension exams, sometimes called C&P exams, that are done specially by the VA to determine if you're entitled to PTSD benefits. Now, the most important thing you can understand about the psychologists that do these evaluations is that they're looking for something called malingering. Now, malingering is a technical term that mental health professionals use, and it means someone that is lying or exaggerating, usually for financial gain. So they're looking at whether you're trying to get more money from VA, but you're making up your symptoms. Now, there's two key ways that they're going to test for this. The first is they're trained to recognize people that are using buzzwords or terms that they've read online or from the manuals that they use to diagnose PTSD. There's one in particular called the Diagnostic Statistical Manual, the DSM, that a lot of veterans will go in and use the words they've read in the DSM to the psychologist. Well, that's not how regular people speak. You should go in and talk about your symptoms and your limitations related to your PTSD, just like you were talking over the kitchen table with your spouse or a friend. Don't use the magic buzzwords from the doctor's books. That will not help you, that will hurt you. And tell the truth. If you just tell the truth all the time, just be clear and describe what's happening to you, you will run into fewer problems and get a better C&P exam report. Now, the second thing is something that I've heard from some veterans and some other attorneys talking about their clients that they've experienced. Apparently, some psychologists during these exams use pictures, and they ask you to say what you see in the picture. But they'll tell you in advance a setup. They'll say, if you have PTSD, you may not be able to see what's in these pictures. Well, that's baloney. They're trying to get you to lie and say, oh, well, I can't see what's in that picture. Just tell the truth. Whatever they're showing you, tell them what you see. Again, if you tell the truth, you'll be fine. If you have a claim for PTSD and you have questions, or worse, the VA denied your claim for PTSD benefits, call me. I represent veterans just like you in all 50 states. I'm John Tucker. Thanks for watching.